River Salem Hemisphere Elite Series 34RL for sale in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin 54729. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2019 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite Series 34RL. This luxurious fifth wheel is 39.33 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs, one 16-foot-long powered awning, leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. This 2019 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite Series 34RL is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area complete with a 3-burner stove/oven/microwave, full-size French door refrigerator/freezer, kitchen, SinkDinette with chair seating, fireplace, 55-inch flat-screen television, surround sound DVD/CD/StereoSofa, SleeperTheater, SeatingLarge bathroom with ShowerHis/her SinksToiletWasher/dryer, Hook UpsMaster King size BedMaster 32-inch flat-screen television, full-size storage closet/DresserSpacious rooms with plenty of room on each side of the BedArctic package, insulated with holding tank warmers, onboard Wi-Fi extender, and so much more. This 2019 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite Series 34RL is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2019 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite Series 34RL can be yours.